How to find blocked user list on REDnote app. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can find all the blocked users list on the REDnote app. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the REDnote app on your phone and make sure that you are logged in to your account. And once you have opened the app, simply tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And in the profile page, simply tap on the gear icon beside the profile button. And from here, simply scroll down and tap on the option labeled privacy settings. And in this section, you can see the option labeled blocked users. Simply tap on that. And in here, you can see all the list of peoples you have blocked on the RateNote app. And that's all there is to it. With this, I hope you found this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.